Here she is, Carnival Sunshine. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is day number 2 of our Carnival Sunshine cruise series. Today is boarding day. We are boarding the ship. Woohoo! Peter is down right now. He's actually down taking care of the bill, finishing everything out down at the front desk, and then we're gonna be going. It is 8:42 right now. We wanted to leave at 8:40. Oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna try and leave in the next 3 minutes. We've got everything literally all packed up. Just waiting on him to get back. He went down and got some breakfast. So they didn't. He said they had a lot of hot breakfast, not a lot of continental breakfast. So this was what he brought back: some yogurt, a banana, and a muffin. And he had literally the exact same thing. It doesn't really matter. We'll eat good on the ship. We're gonna be eating good for the next 8 days. So I think, you know, we can afford to skip one breakfast. We did enjoy our time here in the Fairfield Inn and Suites tonight. Here in Lake Buena Vista, right here in Orlando. Highly recommend it, especially, you know, if the weather's like this, because it's nice and sunny and pretty outside. So I would highly recommend it now. So like I said, we're gonna be getting downstairs, gonna be calling our Uber. We gotta get a Uber over to the airport, and then we have Cortrans shuttle service booked for our transportation from the airport to Port Canaveral. So yeah, we're gonna be getting the Cortrans shuttle from Miami Airport over to Port Canaveral. It's like $20 per person per way, so it's really super cheap, right? That's like cheaper than, isn't that cheaper than Carnival?
Oh yeah.
Or is there's 35 one way, or is there's 35 round trip?
One way.
It's 35 one way?
35 one way.
Yeah. So it's actually cheaper than Carnival's transportation. So we're gonna be heading over there. It is my platinum cruise, so we have platinum embarkation. I cannot wait to experience it, see the lounge. Hopefully they have a lounge. I've been told some places have a lounge, and just check out all the fun stuff, guys. So let's get this day going. Like I said, we gotta get down. We gotta call our Uber. Hello? He is at A33. A33. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so we're here.
Ready to go.
Cortrans. It was $80 for the both of us, right?
Yes.
That's round trip.
Round trip.
It's not bad. Park, and fly. Do you see it? Park.
Does that mean you can bring the dog?
I guess so.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I don't know. That's weird. Wow. We're almost here, guys. There's our ship. Hey, Peter. Wow.
Get yours now. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you, my friend.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. You got this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hey, these go with. Go right on that.
Hey, how are you? All right, my friends. So we are ready. We've given our bags to the porters. Usually we do like $1 to $2 per bag. So we did that. You know, you give them a nice tip, and they'll make sure that your bags get to your stateroom. We're gonna head inside the terminal. What time is it right now?
It is 10:38.
10:38. So we're heading in the terminal. We do have priority embarkation. Thank you, Carnival. And that's from the Platinum and the PR department. So we will make sure we let you guys know when we get on board.
A few moments later.
All right. We're doing it.
Let's do it.
We're boarding. What time is it?
It is 11:18.
11:18. So 10:38 to 11:18. What is that? I can't do math, guys. It's not an hour though. It was less than an hour.
Yeah, less than
and the priority lounge was really nice. I enjoyed it. Oh, I'm so excited. Here she is, Carnival Sunshine. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh, I want a happy sticker.
Happy sticker? Of course you want. Everybody
I want a
wants
happy sticker.
Happy sticker. There you go.
Hey, thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh, I have chill bumps. I have chill bumps. Wow. Can you even? Can you even? Oh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. I love that. That is so pretty. Like the marble. Oh my god, I literally have, I like the hairs on my, they're standing up.
Look at me too.
Oh my god. Alright, let's go drop this off at the room. Let's see, so we're in a, how are you?
My daughter loves you on YouTube.
Where's she at?
She's not
Oh,
here.
okay.
I already called her.
Okay.
She said, I have to get a picture with you.
Yes, absolutely. Hi Savannah, it's Josh. Just wanted to say hey to you, just met your dad. He said that you wanted the photos of me, but I got you something better, a video. Ciao. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's alright. That's alright. Alright. It is. I love it. I love this atrium.
Yeah, it's such a really nice. It's
very pretty ship. Look at the elevator, like just the lights.
the theming, like the orange and the yellow.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, man.
I love it a lot. Woo! Alright, so now we gotta go. You wanna just take the stairs? You smell the spa?
I do.
Mmm.
Gonna go up one deck.
Yeah. Can you do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Because we are priority guests. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm gonna die. Because we're priority guests, or platinum guests rather, our room is ready now. What's our room number?
009, 11009.
11009. Our room is ready now, as opposed to, you know, other guests. They won't be ready till 1:30.
Oh, this is it.
Where?
Right here.
I can't breathe, Peter. I cannot breathe. All right, here we go. What's this?
I don't know. Do we have stuff already?
Yes.
What is it? What?
We have a bunch of something. Sorry, hold on here.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, 2 seconds, guys. We're opening our room keys. Maybe we're opening our room keys. I have not done this before.
Oh, his first platinum!
Wait, hold on. Oh my goodness! Oh, it's beautiful.
First platinum card.
Alright, ready? Here we go. What? Did you get...
What? No, I didn't do any of that.
Oh my goodness. What? And they got the beds right in the... What?
Who's...
This can... Scott Weaver.
Oh.
Oh my god, people got us... There's 2 things of water here.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. So, okay.
Wait,
and then
so-
what's this? Oh, Robbie. So, wait, let's get the, like, hold on, 2 seconds. Alright, you guys, so we just got in here in our room. There will be a room tour video. If you would like to see that, please click on the eye blinking right up here in this corner, so you can go check that out. We'll give you all the details of this room. But I do need to do a couple thank yous, because we're a little overwhelmed right now. So, first off, we have, this is, okay, so that's your internet. So that's not a gift.
For the internet.
Yeah, that's your internet. Then that's also internet, okay?
Internet.
So, we have a couple gifts here. So first thing it says, this is from Kenneth Miz, and he got us a fruit and cheese tray. Now, it's not here yet. Actually, a lot of the stuff is. You know, we just got on board. It's 11:30 now. They just cleared the ship literally an hour ago. So, I think this stuff will, my platinum gift's not here yet. So, I think that stuff will arrive, you know, later on. But I'm just letting you know, guys know kind of what's coming so you can expect it. So, there's that one. Then, Robbie O'Malley, he got us the gummy funnels. He says some sugary, fun-fueled treats to keep you going all week long. I mean 8 days long. Thank you so much, Robbie. You know I loved these on the Carnival Sunshine. They are delicious. Then we have, again, Robbie. He said, Josh and Peter, here is some H2O to help you get through those adventurous shore excursions. Have fun. Oh, Robbie, thank you so much. Thank you for that. And then we also got another one that says, small water package, 12-pack. This gift is compliment of Scott Weaver. Have a great cruise. So Scott, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. But then, it gets just a little bit better. So, over here on the table, there's a note. It says, Mr. Peter Guagliano and Mr. Joshua Hokum. It's in a Carnival envelope. So, we open it up. And it reads, greetings, Mr. Peter Guagliano, Mr. Joshua Hokum. Welcome aboard. We're delighted you're sailing on the beautiful Carnival Sunshine. As a valued guest, we want to make your stay a little extra special. So on behalf of all of us here at Carnival, we thank you for joining us and hope you enjoy the goodies. There are no goodies yet.
They haven't gotten here yet.
They haven't gotten here yet, so we don't know what said goodies are when they get here. We'll show you said goodies. And then it goes on to say, should you need any assistance during your stay, please feel free to contact me via guest services located on Lobby Deck 3 Forward or by calling extension 7777. My entire team is dedicated to making your cruise fun and memorable. Bon voyage, Freddie Esquivel, Hotel Director, Carnival Sunshine. So, Carnival Sunshine, thank you for. I love this ship already. I swear I love it. Like I literally have so many goosebumps right now. I have wanted to go on this ship. If you've spoken to me personally and you've asked like what ship do you want to go on, I would probably say the Carnival Sunshine. I don't know why the ship just fascinates me. Its whole I don't know. It just fascinates me. I've always wanted to come on the ship, and so to be here in our spa balcony cabin and have all of these wonderful gifts delivered to us. There's our Cloud9 slippers and just the love and support from Team Carnival. It means so much, guys. So if you do want to ever send anything, I don't remember how to do it. Oh yeah, we have our Cloud9 spa robes and everything. If you do ever want to send me anything, I would greatly appreciate it. You'll get a shout out on the vlog. But it's a nice way for me to say thank you back to you for doing that kind gesture. So, and a big thank you, Team Carnival. I don't know what's coming, but I imagine it's going to be something good since they wrote a whole letter and everything. Yeah. So, we're going to do the room tour right now, and then I think we're going to go grab some lunch, just kind of explore the ship a little bit, get this day going. Ah, my heart. All right, we're going out.
Yes.
We're going out. We just did the room tour.
Room to Lido.
Yes. Oh, I can't. Oh, I just can't handle it, Peter. I really can't.
Sorry. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Uh-huh. Oh wow. That's perfect.
I like that.
Yes.
And look at this.
Wow. Oh, yeah, Peter,
they added so much more stuff as I was last year.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love. Look at that waterfall. I can't. Can you even? Yes. Oh, that's fantastic. Guys, we are here. We are here.
Look at the sun. It's like in the pool. You see it?
Aww.
Wow.
I don't know like where to get a photo. Like there's too much. Like what is?
Do your little Facebook Live out here.
I know. Yeah, I definitely am. But, wow, you guys, look it. Okay, so here is the hot tub. There is the whale tail. Back there is the water park. There's the Disney room. There's a Peter.
Hey.
We're up here in the top of Serenity. Let's see. Now I'm not gonna film too much because I don't want to throw cameras in people's faces when they're supposed to be relaxing, you know. But oh no, it's not. We thought there was a salad.
Oh, I think that's the Vista.
And the Vista definitely has it.
Yeah.
But I think
this one had it too.
Yeah, I think it's just the Vista that has it though. Well, the Vista and Horizon now. Yeah, it's like Salad Creations or something.
Yeah.
But this is the very front of the ship. Oh no, it's not. It's the very front of this deck. Yeah. Wow. I wonder what's there. Oh, that's probably the spa. Or the gym, huh? Let's go to the back. Let's go see the water park and everything.
Do it.
Yeah, we're just gonna explore the ship a little bit, guys. Show you what's up. Oh, there's like a, look at that overhang.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh, that pool looks so inviting.
I love how this ship has like levels, like.
Yeah.
It's like how it's leveled, like look, see? Like different levels as it goes up.
Yeah.
It's just leveled so nice.
Very nice. And life jackets, safety for the kids. Oh. That pool looks so, oh my God, look, it's like broken up. Do you see that?
Oh yeah.
I bet that's to help with the waves.
Oh.
Wow.
Probably like sit on.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. So inviting right now. So inviting. Wow. There's the whale tail. Look at.
Ah, we're back.
We're here.
We're back home with the whale. It smells good down there. I'm actually getting.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting. I think after this, we're gonna go grab some lunch. I don't know what. Do they have the barbecue here?
I think so.
Oh, I hope so. Oh, I really hope so. I cannot. I'm back. I'm back. Hello, hello.
We missed you.
We did. I mean, we had a great time cheating on you, but we missed you.
We did, but.
Oh, so this is like the kiddie area.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's cute in there.
Camp Carnival Playground. Aw. We both did it together. This is nice. It gets like its own little look.
This is really nice. Look at
Aw. It's got like wooded, yeah. Here's the terminal. There's where we just came from.
water slide.
Woo, it is warm today. Oh. Wow.
A lot of stuff going on back here.
This is neat. And look, literally nobody's in it.
Look at those chairs.
I love those. What? Oh my gosh, look.
This is gonna be so fun.
So fun to race you down these.
Yeah. Can't wait. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. Too neat, too neat. Wow. Where does it start? Oh, way up there.
Oh, it's high up. Like,
Okay.
it starts really high up.
Check that out. Oh, and then there's the ropes course too. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Peter doesn't want to go on the ropes course. I am. I'm totally doing it. Oh, wow. Let's go up real quick.
I'll be filming him doing it.
This literally looks just like the Breeze.
It does. This ship resembles a small version of the Breeze.
Of the Breeze,
It really
right.
does.
Look at that.
Yeah. So there's 3 slides, right?
Yeah.
There's 3.
1, 2, and then the yellow one.
Yep.
Wow. And then you have the whole ropes course here. I don't know why they won't put this on more ships. I think this is fantastic.
Yeah.
The basketball court, so you could come play basketball if you wanted.
Big chest over there.
Where at?
Right over here. There's big.
Oh, I see. I like these tables too.
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, what's this?
What's in there?
I don't know. I think this is
goes to the kids thing, probably.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
I'm pretty sure I've seen you on YouTube.
You surely have. Just did some more hellos, guys. I've told you once, I'll tell you again. I know, can you hear me? If you do see us on the ship, please come up and say hey. I would love to speak to you guys, hang out, see where you're from. Let's get like a map going or something, see how many people we can find from the same place. Let's go down and let's eat. I'm starving, my stomach is going. Wow. Next time, wow, look at that. It's amazing. I guess there's those goodies. Bar here. Oh, I can't breathe. Ready? Oh yeah, they told us in the thing to turn it. No way.